His name? You said Mr. James? No, it's fine. He's giving us information about Somalia and well. Yeah.
We live at the meeting with the imams.
Yeah. I'm imam too. I can talk to you. It's fine.
This is what he said.
No, if he's an AMISOM, I can ask him. You are my cousin Somal. Why are you making difficult? I'm not recording it. But is it okay, sir, to talk to you? I said a good word. I'm imam. I run as the president for Somalia. Yes. I was competing with Sheikh Sharif. Hassan Mahmoud knows me well. I had a lot of debates with them. So we are brothers in humanity. We are same contents. They are from Africa. We helped them. Somalia helped them. Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania. I am graduated from Somali National University, major in agriculture, major in biology. We had their students in our college. So we are same family. But the problem is, we're not accepting Ethiopia and Kenya. You understand what I mean? They want to take our land. In the second, we would like you to train our army.
Yes.
You understand what I mean? That is the most important. If you are helping us honestly as an Africanist, we accept you. Otherwise, the people will think that AMISOM is not honest with the Somalian people. And they will carry the weapons against you. Look, the Ugandans dying over there. Look, the Burundi's dying. We feel sorry. We're not happy with that. So we have to be honest, and we have to tell Ethiopians and Kenyans, hey, we will not accept Africans to colonize Africans. Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Sure. There is no way.
Yes.
There is no way Ethiopia,
yes,
Kenya, even if they join forces,
yes,
can colonize Somalia. You know that.
Mister, they are divided.
You know.
I know that they are. We want to call. They already took. Kenya took part of Somalia.
No, you know.
NFD.
I said even if.
Yeah, not of Somalia. I think Somalia.
You know that even if they combine,
Ethiopia took part of Somalia.
No, even if they combine,
yes,
they cannot colonize you.
They are. Why don't you train the Somali army?
What if I tell you?
They don't accept.
Wait, no. What if
the Western countries don't accept?
What if I tell you that as we speak now?
Yeah.
If you put all the Somali forces, soldiers that have been trained by anyone, the greatest is from Ethiopia. What if I tell you that? And I give you statistics.
The greatest?
Yes, if I give you with statistics.
How Ethiopia is greatest?
No, you're not listening to what I'm saying.
What say again, please?
I said, you said what you want is for them to train your soldiers.
Somali army.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
If I put statistics for you,
to
prove to you that Ethiopia, has provided more money, more training for Somali soldiers.
That is a big problem.
Wait, let me finish.
I don't trust Ethiopia.
You see, that's the problem.
Ethiopia killed my cousin. They killed my grandfather.
You see, that's
Wallahi, I assure Allah. They killed my parents.
I'm not doubting that.
All my people. How can I trust Tigraya and Amhara?
I'm not doubting
who killed me.
There is history between Somalia and Ethiopia.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think that your grandchildren should always have problem with Ethiopians their age in 100 years?
No. Why? Because why? Because 75% of Ethiopians.
No, you're not asking.
I
want to ask you. You're not asking.
No, you're Somali. Us or adigo shaqaysanayna ka tartiib ninkan la leeyahay dort.
Waxaan ka rabaa. Okay,
tartiib. Or ninkan ka la leeyahay waayahay. Look. Thank you.
You're not answering the question.
I will answer. He asked. No, I understood him. No. He is nice, but don't be mean.
Listen.
He is nice. He's talking to me nicely. Like the problem is the Somalis who are, but you are talking nicely. Let me answer that question. The answer of that question is, I'm not talking to, I'm talking to AMISOM. You are Somalis, wait.
AMISOM.
You see the problem with Somalia?
But Firi.
This is the problem with Somalia.
Yes, okay. No. I will answer this question and I will leave. You said, do you want to ask grandchildren to have problems? Okay, let me remind you one thing. No, we don't have problem with Ethiopian people. the civilians, because they are our brothers. 75% of Ethiopians are Muslims. Are Muslims. 75. Don't listen to them. I know that. 75. Islam came first to Ethiopia, the time of Muhammad, before Medina, before the city of Muhammad Sallallahu. We don't have problem with Ethiopian people. We have problem for those who are helping the colonists and want to colonize our land. That is the only problem we have, like the Tigray and Amhara. But anybody that, for example, if they want to buy,
they can't take your land.
If we want to exchange business,
they can't take your land.
Okay, take them out of our land.
They can't take your land, Imam.
Mr. James, nice to meet you. You work for AMISOM. Listen to Somali people, please.
I've listened to you very well.
But we don't accept Ethiopians. They have to go out of the country.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will fight them to the end. أنا أديك الصومالية محدش كويس هاي.
مركز الله عيد ماذا قرنك الصومالية قوي أميسوم.
ضلك النواب بحمار يوتيوب.
أميسوم. يا كناي وحكناي مركز قضية الرهيب البلية بدلن أتري الصومالي لين بلي هذا وربوخ عيد قرأ إيمانا يا.
أنا أديك ما يشيك.
أنا أديك ما مدة سنين.
ومحنو مدومي كان مدومي. كان قاعد ما يسقف سنة.
صوتك رهيب.
ولا لقى عليه وأكو شعلها ولا الكيباتها مسلم باتها.
قال هذا والنجتية يعني أنا أديك بدلن يسمى يجبلن كبح
ولا الكيب كايلي لكن قال كان قلت ورمية وروالة درية ولا ذلك هاي يبح هذا وش شيء هذه ما صار بتهضم قبيلك وديننا قبيلك كنت أوي وديني هذه مشاركة كلها في السنة مشاركة كتر مية حوالي يراد كقاتني كان هذا أنس كسرنا وصارينا
قال مسحينا
ور هذه مشاركة في السنة أنس كسرنا كان قال هذا أدوه كسر مري
فيره
أو قال كهنا قطو
فيره
أنا ولا لونه أنت ما يجمع شهادة أصلا رنت أروش يجبح مع ردك
نكان أنا يا ويرنا مركز
أديك في واحد مكارم بعد يجي زبنت هو فلسفتك ولا لك هو كتشعله ولا اللي معاني خلاص قاعد ما يسقف سنة ولا اللي كي قاعد ما يسقف سنة سومالي وين بدو وهجي سي ولا لوي واسعليه قرباه يسقف سطي دقالك واحد ماضي عدو نهبه عدو نهبه عدو وأميسوم أو مانتي سوق شيء مسجد كارميل ما أقانو وحي مادين مساجد أولم بيكون ريجيان يدلك أمريكان كا وحين شغال غالنا يعني شرع يكون شرع هيان مساجد يدلك أمريكان كا وحنود لنا إمام يدا ولا له الناس الصوماليات إن أي كذب تونادان أرنكاس أو أي كذب تونادان أميسوم سال أركسين باني كان واسركال سري وارمها دي بدأ السياسة ده وقابل سن أميسوم يصومالي ده إنه كده دليو isfahan oo soo umur mahayay u jeedeen in Ethiopia lagu wareejiyo dalka Soomaaliya halkaasna lagu dhameeyo cadawtinimadii u dhaxaysay Ethiopia iyo Soomaaliya isagoo naga dhacsiiyay in ciidamada ugu badan ee Soomaalida kuwa qaranka lagu tilmaamo ay tababarto inta ugu badan 80% ilaa 70 ciidamada Ethiopia hadaba nin Ethiopia ay dress iyo number iyo hubsisay ma waxaad ka saweysaan inuu dalka xoreeyo Soomaaliya gumaysi ayay ku jirtaa gacanta ayaana lagu dhigay gumaysi ayayna u hoos jirtaa waxaan markaa xasuusinayaa walaalahii imaamyada masaajidyada iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed ee siyaasiyiinta ee la kulmaya AMISOM dibadda iyo dalkaba runta u sheega Ethiopia iyo AMISOM Kenya iyo Ethiopia ma aqbalayno iyo AMISOMna guriyooda ku noqdeen Soomaalina gacmaha hays qabsato heshiiso beedka Ilaahi iyo Quraanka iyo sunnada iyo la ilaaha illa Allah Muhammadur Rasuulullah ayya halwa innamal mu'minuna ikhwa fa aslihu bayna akhawaykum imaamyada North America oo ay kamid yihiin kuwa umma iyo kuwa kale waxaan leeyahay u istaaga dib u heshiisiinta dalka Soomaaliyeed iyo dadka Soomaaliyeed cadawgana dalka ka saara waana mahadsantihiin ilaahina idin gargaaro imaamyada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba culimada Soomaaliyeed dal iyo dibadba